Scene script. Have you ever considered art as an investment? When we think about investments, our mind typically wanders to traditional avenues like stocks, bonds, real estate, cryptocurrency, and mutual funds. Each of these investment types carries its own set of benefits and risks. Stocks, for instance, offer substantial potential for growth in the long run, but they also come with a degree of volatility that can be hard to stomach for some investors. Bonds, on the other hand, are generally seen as safer than stocks, but the trade-off is often lower returns. Real estate investments can provide a steady income stream and potential appreciation over time, but they also require significant upfront capital and ongoing maintenance. Cryptocurrency, the new kid on the block, offers the allure of massive gains, but comes with a high level of risk and uncertainty. Mutual funds offer a way to diversify and minimize risk by spreading investments across a wide range of assets, but they can come with management fees and aren't immune to losses. So we can see that there are pros and cons to each of these traditional investment avenues. But what if we looked beyond the conventional? What if we explored alternative investments? This is where art enters the picture. Yes, you heard it right. That beautiful piece of artwork that you admire could be more than just a feast for the eyes. It could be a unique and potentially lucrative investment opportunity. Art, as an investment, is tangible. It's something you can touch, feel, and enjoy. It's not just a number on a screen or a piece of paper, it's real, and it's personal. But just like any other investment, art comes with its own set of considerations. It's not just about buying a painting and hoping it appreciates, it's about understanding the art market, knowing the artists, and being able to discern between different styles and periods. But have you ever looked at a Picasso and thought that could be a good investment? If not, this might be the time to start. Tune in as we delve deeper into the world of art as an investment in our next segment. Art, a world often seen as exclusive and elite, can be a promising investment avenue. Now let's delve a little deeper into the basics of art investment. At its core, art investment involves acquiring pieces of art with the intention of selling them later at a higher price. It's akin to buying shares in a company, but instead of stocks, you are purchasing a Picasso, or a Van Gogh, or perhaps a contemporary artist on the verge of their big break. One of the appealing aspects of investing in art is that it's a tangible asset. You're not buying a piece of paper or a digital token, you're investing in a physical object that you can see, touch, and even display in your own home or office. This tangibility brings a unique emotional dimension to the investment process. You're not just buying a potential return, you're buying a piece of history, a conversation starter, a masterpiece that could potentially appreciate over time. Art, as an asset class, can offer impressive returns, although it's important to note that results can vary significantly. Some pieces skyrocket in value, while others may not perform as expected. However, when an artwork does appreciate, it can yield substantial profits. For instance, a painting bought for a few $1,000s could potentially be worth millions in a couple of decades. Investing in art also offers a way to diversify your portfolio. Just like stocks, bonds, and real estate, art is another asset class that can help spread risk. And while the art market can be influenced by economic factors, it tends to march to its own beat, often remaining resilient in the face of financial downturns. In conclusion, the art world offers more than just beautiful pieces to admire. It provides an opportunity to invest in something tangible, something that could potentially offer great returns. And who knows? You might just discover that you have an eye for the next big thing in the art world. Art isn't just about aesthetics, it can be a profitable venture. The potential for returns in art investment can be substantial. Let's take a moment to explore the potential that art holds for investors. In the world of art, value appreciation can be dramatic. For instance, the iconic painting, The Card Players by Paul Cézanne, was sold for a record-breaking $270 million in 2011. Just a century ago, the same piece could have been acquired for a fraction of that price. What influences such large upticks in value? A multitude of factors come into play. Artist reputation is a key driver. An artwork by a renowned artist like Pablo Picasso or Frida Kahlo is likely to fetch a higher price. The unique style, the historical significance of the artist, and their contribution to the art world all contribute to the value of their work. Art trends also play a significant part. Just as in fashion, what's in and out in art can change rapidly. A style or artist that's in vogue today might not be tomorrow, but when a particular movement or artist comes back in style, the value of related artwork can skyrocket. The economic climate is another factor. In economically prosperous times, people are more likely to invest in art, driving up prices. Conversely, during recessions, art can be a safe haven, retaining its value better than more volatile assets. Finally, the rarity of the piece can drive up its price. A one-of-a-kind artwork, or a piece from a limited series, is likely to be more valuable than mass-produced works. All these factors make art a fascinating and potentially lucrative investment. However, it's not a field to dive into without knowledge. Understanding art, its history, and its market requires time and expertise. But with the right insight, the potential for returns can be enormous. Remember, investing in art isn't just about making money. It's about supporting artists and the arts, and owning a piece of cultural history. And who knows? That painting you buy today might just be the next Mona Lisa. With the right knowledge and timing, art can truly be a goldmine. Diversification is key in investment, and art can add a unique flavor to your portfolio. As we navigate through the investment landscape, it's important to remember that not all assets behave the same way. Traditional investments like stocks and bonds have their own patterns of risk and return, but art dances to the beat of its own drum. Diversification essentially is spreading your investments across various asset classes to manage risk. If one asset class experiences a downturn, others may remain stable or even appreciate, balancing out the potential losses. Now imagine adding art into this mix. Unlike traditional investments, the value of art isn't tied to the performance of the stock market. This means that when stocks take a nosedive, your art investment might just stay afloat or even surge in value. Art, as a tangible asset, has a unique appeal. You can touch it, feel it, and appreciate its beauty. But beyond its aesthetic appeal, art can serve as a hedge against traditional market volatility. In times of economic uncertainty, art has often demonstrated resilience, holding its value or even appreciating when other investments were tumbling. Adding art to your portfolio can also provide geographical diversification. The art market is truly global, with collectors and investors from all over the world. This global demand can help insulate your art investment from local economic downturns. Moreover, investing in art can offer a satisfying blend of passion and profit. Many investors find pleasure in researching artists, attending exhibitions, and following the art market, a satisfaction that's hard to derive from traditional investments. However, it's essential to remember that art investment isn't a guaranteed route to riches. Like any investment, it comes with its own set of risks. But, with careful research, professional advice, and a genuine interest in art, it can be a rewarding addition to your investment portfolio. So, consider stepping out of the traditional investment box. Explore the world of art. It can not only diversify your portfolio but also enrich your life with beauty and culture. After all, art can be a splash of color in the gray world of traditional investments. Scene script. Like any investment, art comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Diving into the world of art investment, we must first acknowledge the risks. The art market is complex and can be quite unpredictable. Authenticity issues are a primary concern. It's essential to ensure the artwork you're investing in is genuine and not a clever forgery. This requires due diligence and often expert consultation. Next, we have liquidity challenges. Unlike stocks or bonds, art isn't something you can sell off immediately when you need cash. It can take time to find the right buyer willing to pay the price you desire. High transaction costs are another hurdle. Auction houses and galleries often charge hefty commissions which can eat into your profits. Lastly, there's the subjective nature of art value. Art doesn't have a fixed price tag. Its value is largely determined by subjective factors like the artist's reputation, the artwork's historical significance, and current market trends. However, let's not overlook the rewards, which can be equally significant. The potential for high returns is certainly alluring. Artworks by established artists or those who suddenly find themselves in the spotlight can skyrocket in value. A painting bought for a few $1,000s can potentially be worth millions in the right market conditions. But the rewards go beyond financial gains. There's the joy of owning beautiful art pieces, the thrill of discovering new artists, and the satisfaction of adding depth and diversity to your investment portfolio. Art ownership also carries a certain level of prestige. It's a mark of sophistication, reflecting a deep appreciation for culture and creativity. It's a conversation starter, a testament to your unique taste and discerning eye. So, while art investment has its challenges, the rewards can be more than worth it for those willing to navigate this fascinating market. Art investment is not just about making money, it's about blending passion with profit.